Hello traders out there in Traderland, D7 here with Grok Trade. I'm going to make this fast because my wife is getting ready to walk in from a little girl's getaway with her girlfriends. But you're here to learn about technical analysis, and that's what I'm going to do right here. We're going to start off with the spider, the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is a great ETF to look at, exchange traded fund. If you look at this, it continues to bounce slowly, melting upwards. It just continues to do what it's been doing the last few weeks. However, it's in big time danger zone. Why do I say that? These red lines here on price action, we're going up, up, up. On the oscillators and indicators, they are going down. Because those are going down, these are going up. That's called a bearish divergence. And those, the longer they last, the more powerful they can be. So if you are sleeping on the idea that the markets will just go forever, you will be sadly mistaken. I've been trading in the live markets nearly 30 years, and I do own a hedge fund. Been doing this a long, long time, and we do mentor individuals. We only do that one time per month. So we are traders first, educators second. But anyway, take a look at this. We're going up, up, up. But if you look at the weekly chart, this is the monthly chart actually up here in the corner. This monthly, we're just over these resistance areas. If I go here to the diamonds, take a look at this. We continue with these bearish divergences. Okay, you can see those across the board. If you look at the monthly chart, we're at major resistance, guys, major resistance. That red line tells me we have a divergence. You can see that RSI divergence right there. So that's interesting. And if you look here on the weekly chart, this weekly chart that we're looking at here is going up, up, up. Soon as we break that area, this could be slippery dickory dock straight down this clock. Okay. Now, if you look at the daily chart on the diamonds, you can see we're going higher here, but what used to be support now is resistance. Let's go to the Qs. These are the tech stocks. If you look here, we had this bullish divergence or bullish pennant, and we go boom straight up. You can see price action continues with higher swing highs, higher swing lows, going higher, but you'll see that we have a bearish divergence, a huge bearish divergence right here. And RSI is giving us another bearish divergence, which I don't have drawn in here. This is telling me we are at probably a top here. This is about the time we're doing it. I don't know if this week will be the top or not, but it certainly is shaping up to be that. If I look here at the IWM Russell's 2000, we went up, we broke that support level in this rising wedge. We come up, we're at resistance area. And yes, do we have bearish divergences? We sure do. If I go down here and do this and show you big time bearish divergences, and if you look here, guys, at the monthly, we're at major, major, major resistance with the bearish divergence. Small caps, very important to watch. Small caps rising wedge, we broke down. Now we're making lower swing highs, lower swing lows. You can see it right here after bearish divergences across the board. And look on the weekly chart, we're at major resistance with that trend line here. And if you go here to the monthly chart, major resistance with bearish divergences. That is very bad. If you look at the US dollar now is starting to roll higher. Starting to roll higher with bullish divergences. So the US dollar going up is not going to go well for gold or silver, which has been on fuego, on fire, going straight up. But look at the daily chart at major, major, major resistance. So do you want to be holding this after a multi-month rally straight up at this moment, or should you be taking profits? Think about that. And if you look at silver here, same thing, up, 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 up. Everybody's up, 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 up. VIX is the fear indicator. The thing I want to show you guys is fear is going higher now. We were making lower swing lows. Now we're making higher swing lows. You can see it right here. Guys, that's telling me that fear is increasing higher. Bitcoin hit $125,000. Guys, don't sleep on that. Everybody should have some Bitcoin. That will be at $200,000. Mark my words on that. So there it is. If I've earned a like for getting this video under 5 minutes and not running ads on this, give me a big fat thumbs up like. And if you are new here, feel free to subscribe. But anyway, with that, I went to Mount Zion. You guys can leave now. I went to Mount Zion in Utah, went to Vegas, went to the Sphere, watched Wizard of Oz, an amazing experience. Have you guys been to any of those national parks? How about the South Rim going into Arizona, which is super cool? Take care, guys. We will see you later. I'm past 5 minutes now. We'll see you. Bye.